When it comes to decentralized finance lending, no name is bigger than AAVE, a protocol that is not only reshaping decentralized finance, but also powering some of the most innovative products in the space. But with the rise of competitors like Compound, Spark, and Morpho, can AAVE maintain its dominance, or is the market finally catching up? If you love learning about projects shaping the future of crypto, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss our deep dives on other top protocols. AAVE is not just another decentralized finance platform. It is the backbone of decentralized lending and borrowing, powering billions in daily transactions and trusted by institutions and retail users alike. From flash loans to its own GHO stablecoin, AAVE has built a reputation for innovation while staying true to decentralized, community-led governance. Let's break down what makes AAVE so important and why it still dominates 20% of the entire decentralized finance lending market. What makes AAVE special? At its core, AAVE operates permissionless liquidity pools, where anyone can deposit assets and earn yield, while borrowers can take out loans by putting up collateral. What sets AAVE apart are its unique features. Flash loans allow users to borrow assets instantly with no collateral, as long as the loan is repaid in the same transaction. This is huge for arbitrage and on-chain trading strategies. Cross-chain liquidity is another strength. AAVE is now deployed across more than 17 chains, including Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, and even Aptos thanks to their Move-based integration. And then there is the GHO stablecoin, an over-collateralized stablecoin that lets users mint GHO against their deposits. This offers lower borrowing costs while keeping the system secure. Governance and safety. AAVE operates as a decentralized autonomous organization, meaning AAVE token holders vote on everything from risk parameters to adding new markets. The 16 million AAVE token cap keeps governance scarce and valuable. Staked AAVE also serves as an insurance layer, protecting users in the rare event of protocol shortfalls. Recent upgrades like AAVE v4 are pushing toward institutional-grade compliance and risk controls, making AAVE more attractive for regulated players. Ecosystem growth and partnerships. With over $110 billion in decentralized finance total value locked, AAVE commands roughly 20% of the lending market, a share no other platform has consistently matched. Strategic partnerships have fueled this growth. Chainlink oracles provide ultra-reliable price feeds. Athena and Pendle integrations optimize yields. Developer-focused tools like SDKs and APIs make it easier for builders to create custom lending vaults and products on top of AAVE. The road ahead. The upcoming v4 upgrade and enhanced cross-chain liquidity promise to make AAVE even more scalable and efficient. But the bigger question is how decentralized governance will balance innovation and regulatory compliance, especially as institutional demand grows. AAVE is not just a lending platform. It is the foundation of modern decentralized finance infrastructure. With its relentless innovation and strong governance, it is hard to see its dominance fading anytime soon. What do you think? Will AAVE remain the king of decentralized finance lending? Or will newer protocols eat into its market share? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next deep dive.